All right, so we're in the midst of the office redo, and I've been doing lots of furniture and things like that. And there are these gorgeous chairs that were already here, or part of the church, but the blue swirly paisley thing doesn't quite work for the motif of the office that I'm doing. So we're just gonna do an easy, hopefully easy, little transition of the upholstery. So all we're gonna do is remove this blue, and then we're gonna do like a white and sort of brown flecked upholstery that's actually stain resistant, and also can be used as we want to utilize it for wedding space. So I'll show you my tricks later, but so far I've already removed the bottom on all the other chairs. You see it right here. This is what it looks like removed. It was easy. And the coolest thing is the lady that I met that sold me the fabric, she actually grew up going to this church and was super interested about all the redoing and renewing that we're doing, so hopefully she'll come and check this place out again. All you need to remove the old upholstery is this incredible Phillips head screwdriver. Just 3 screws here, easy peasy. Get that off, it'll be so quick. I think you're gonna love what this is gonna look like when it's done.
One of the things I loved about this project is that it gave me a chance to add to my arsenal of tools. So I was able to get a simple staple gun and some upholstery staples. And then all I had to do is measure out, almost like when you're wrapping a present, measure out, make sure there's enough room for it to fold over. And then the next step was simply to stretch and staple, stretch and staple. And I worked at a gift shop when I was in college, so I think I learned how to do this sort of present wrapping stage right here, but it looks great, and it was easy stapling all of them, and they'll stay that way, and the staples are made for this, and they won't rip through the fabric. So make sure you're using upholstery staples, and make sure the fabric that you're using is also upholstery fabric.